Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about how to clone a group of instances. So it's a nice to know thing. Okay, first I have to explain the problem. So you see here this flower here and the single petals here or leaves of the flower are instances. So here in the group node you see the single parts, and when I use the move tool they all work like one, so they are instances. So maybe I want a second ring of these petals here. So I select now the group and I press here clone. So here a second group appears. So, and I bring it a little bit here and I rotate it a little bit, maybe here in this position. Okay. And now you see what happens. So when you select here one of the objects and use the move tool, nothing happens with the other ones. So they are no more instanced. So I go back. So here for instance groups, cloning doesn't work. The next thing is you can create an instance of this. So here press instance. So now when I select such a petal, all other, so also in group one, yeah, they are all one instance. So this is not what I like. So I go back. And then here the group is selected, and then go to the project menu and export it as GLTF, and now select it and export. So, oops, sorry, export. So I save it to the files. Flower. So here's my flower one, and I bring it per drag and drop inside the scene. So now I press add to scene. So now a second group is here. Oops. So I select one of the petals here and I move it. So you see here only the imported group works as instances. So like this, and the other group is also instanced. So this is a way you can clone an instance group. So that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.